Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark here, and today I'm here with Harper. This is my daughter here. We are going to do an unboxing. It's already open, but we're going to do a full unboxing and assembly of a piano chair that we ordered from Amazon. It's called Songmics, I think it is, or Songmix. It was about $65, and it's like a leather top on it. It's a duet piano chair. She's going to start learning how to do piano lessons, right? Isn't that what you're doing? When do you start?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? She starts Tuesday. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it, and give you the review on how good the quality is, and we'll go from there. So you guys ready? Let's jump in. You ready? All right, so what's this here?
Inspection.
All right, put those off to the side, and we'll hold on to those.
Over here on the couch.
Yeah, over there should be good. And then we're going to get rid of this. We'll take this out of here. Hang on just a second. Let me help you out. Grab that end over there and pull it on out. There you go. Okay, we'll set it down. And what I'll do is I'll lift this up so you can take it off. All right, clear that out of the way. Let's open up. All right, look at that. We've got all the legs inside, it looks like. Looks like they're all set here. Do we have any tools or anything like that?
Yep.
There's some tools? Okay, so I'll take these off.
Can I screw with the wrench?
Yep, we'll do that right here. All right, we've got these legs off. Now we're gonna take a look and peek at the instructions real quick. So we got this right here. I do not believe that there's gonna be any particular order that you need to assemble these legs on, because they all look like they just kind of face inward like that. All right, so we've got one leg right here. Can you hold on to that leg for me right over there? That's gonna be your side. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unpack these nuts and bolts.
And screw it onto this.
So we'll put these in here just to make sure that they're somewhere safe. All right, so we're gonna put these legs on. They come with a lock washer, a washer, and a nut here. Real simple, easy construction going in, and we're gonna slide that in. Harper, you're gonna help me with the other side in just a second, okay? So we put a washer on, and then we put a lock nut
Two
washer.
washers?
Two washers. So we're gonna slide that next one on. Can you grab that leg that's down there on the ground? Got a washer, a lock washer, and then I'll let you put that nut on there. Get it started for you. Of course, I can't do well here. This weird angle. There you go. All right, now you can finish it up. Spin it on there. And that's all there is to this. There is no more hardware to it. It's just the bench itself, the legs, and some washers, and that's it. The next one we're going to do is we're going to do this side over here.
I got it for you too.
Oh, you do? Okay. Thank you for the help. And remember, when you put this in, it is a washer, lock washer, and then a nut. And we'll tighten all these down with the supplied wrench that they gave us in just a second. You have one more leg set to do. You want to put that one in?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. I got the bench. Got that.
Have to make sure it's in correctly.
Yep. All right, very good. That's in. We're gonna go set this piano bench up in the piano room there so that she can start to get some lessons this coming Tuesday, and also, use this bench to store her music. So let's go take a look at that. So we've got the chair in position where we're gonna have it, and as you see right here, it's got a little bit of a wobble and wiggle to it. So what we need to do is come in, we're gonna loosen these back up. I should have done it in the position where I was at. I was trying to put this together, but we're here now. I don't like this wrench. I'm gonna get another wrench. All right, I've got my new wrench that I'm gonna use instead of what we did. Hopefully this will work. This is an 18 millimeter. It's close to a 5/8, but it is metric, so we're gonna work on that. We're gonna get these guys nice and loose, and the reason why I wanna use this is because I got this ratcheting capability here. All right, so I've got it loosened up, and that's what I probably should have done, is installed it in the location that I was in and where it's going to be in place. That way the legs are nice and stable and solid down there. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything back up. So that looks pretty good. This guy's stable now. We'll close this down. You want to give it a try, Harper, and see how you like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead. You can. Oh, very cool. So this is pretty good. We're able to sit here next to each other, so when the piano teacher comes in, they're able to sit next to each other pretty close. She can explain some instructions and show her side by side like this. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing. I like the bench here. It seems pretty good. This is like a pleather or some type of a fake leather right here. 65, I think it was $69, somewhere around that range. There is some seams right here. I'll have to do about a 6 month to a year review to see how those hold up and see if they stay like that there. But in those corners, there are some seams right here with some stitching. It should be pretty good. Our room in this area right here is air conditioned, and it looks pretty nice right here. So now, she has a piano bench. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thank you very much, Harper, for helping me out with this review right here. I hope you like your bench. It should be working pretty good for your lessons coming up. And if you want to get one of these, check out the link in the description below. And you can also see the review of this piano coming soon. So thanks for hitting that bell button, and I'll let you know when I get this review up of this piano here that we got her for that. And it is a very good sounding piano. Just a little sneak peek into it.